relationship between O3b and SES with the Vodafone Cook Islands started in 2013. We're now moving into a different phase of the relationship with our great new product mPOWER, and you purchased a bunch of new equipment that's going to service a lot more of the Cook Islands in general.
We had O3b enabled on 4 outer islands for the last 10 years, and now we're going up to 10 islands on the mPOWER service. So it's very exciting. We're going to the next evolution of connectivity for the islands and enabling a lot more services.
So those 10 outer islands will all go back through the mPOWER system back to your own gateway that we've been installing for you on Rarotonga. And additionally, you're going to put in a 2.4 metre Viasat terminal on mPOWER.
The 2.4 metre will go on the other semi-highly populated island of Aitutaki, which is cable connected back to Rarotonga, so we'll get some geodiversity as well. And the other 10 terminals will connect directly to Rarotonga instead of transiting Hawaii.
So you've had some of the earlier terminals on those outer islands, like Achu here. How do you compare the installation of those terminals compared to the MP130 that you've put here?
Well, I was involved in the installation of the first phase of terminals back in 2014, and it took a team of 4 guys, 3-4 days. Compared to the newer generation, 2 guys in a day.
And what do you anticipate moving forward, your maintenance on the new terminals is going to be compared to the older terminals?
Well, luckily we've had about a year under our belt now of running the new technology. We've been trialling it up in the Northern Group, which is very remote, for just over a year now, and it's been absolutely fantastic compared to the old. 0 maintenance issues.
The MP130, which is going to be the mainstay terminal you're going to use in your outer islands, we currently have 3 of them installed.
Yep.
So you've got 6 other terminals that are going to be installed around the island. Some of those are replacements for existing older classic terminals.
Yep.
Once that's all done, all of that capacity, both forward and return, goes between the islands and back to your regional gateway or customer gateway in Rarotonga. After that, what does mPOWER enable you to do?
The design of it enables us, firstly, to be flexible with that capacity. We're going to buy a committed amount from SES, and then we will have the flexibility to allocate that per island as we see fit, and right down to per service. And when I talk about per service, we will be offering mobile backhaul on it, internet backhaul on it, services for the government, connecting their offices to the central government office in Rarotonga, and each of those services will have flexibility to dynamically adjust bandwidth, and that's very important for us.
Okay, and then you're using your local fibre network on the island to connect into their data centre, which you host.
We host the government data centre at the moment. That's under contract. So we'll connect them directly into there, and then we also pass on the connectivity internationally over the Monitor cable.
One of the things that mPOWER has done is significantly reduce the capital cost of equipment.
Yeah, I believe the cost has come down to about a quarter of what it used to be, which is very important, especially for new customers.
And then there is the ability to reuse civil infrastructure if required. If you had original MEO terminals here, you can reuse civil infrastructure as a saving as well.
Yep, on this island in particular, we dismantled the old antennas, the GDs, within a day, several hours in fact. We didn't use the old pads, but we could have. In other islands, we're going to reuse the old infrastructure.
Which is a big saving for you as a customer.
Yep, especially for remote places where shipping is a huge problem.